Hello everyone, welcome to CAD modeling channel. Today we are going to learn about 5 essential and important commands in AutoCAD. To demonstrate these 5 commands, I am using AutoCAD 2016 version. The next command is the audit command. This command evaluates the integrity of the drawing and corrects some errors. If there are errors in your drawing, so it will actually audit that those errors, and we should actually audit our drawing regularly, so that we can remove the errors from our drawing, which will not if we are not doing such things, so that our drawings may result in the errors and corruption, and in the worst scenario our file will not be open. So how to use the audit? So basically we are going to type the audit over here and put the enter over here. He will say the message was like this: fix any error detected. He will ask you that we want him to fix the errors. We always by default say yes, then enter, right? There was there were no errors in this file, so you will actually say that all the errors has been removed from your file. So it's very quick and very fast. This also it's the cleaning command for your AutoCAD. And the last one is a very good command which will actually reduce your time and increase the efficiency of your work. This is known as the M line or the multi-line in the AutoCAD. Well, if I am talking about this command is used to create multiple parallel lines. Where to use this command? For example, the project and the design that contain multiple parallel lines. For example, architects usually do the projects of house which has the parallel lines, for example, in walls. For the civil engineers, they are using these parallel lines in the design of a highway. So from that particular point, it's a very important task. So let's start with the M line command. M line, enter. So before we actually take the base point, over here there are 3 options. Current setting, if we see the current settings over here, current setting, justification. In the justification there is a top, and the scale is the 5 and the style is the standard. Now when we talk about the justification itself, if I draw these lines like this, right? So, and I take enter over here, and if I select this, in the justification there are 3 options with us. One is the top, 0 and bottom. For example, let me have this particular thing, which is for example over here, if I have taken the point initially and then enter. If I take this command again, then I talk about justification, J, enter. It will ask me top, 0 and bottom. If I take 0, then this will be like this. Again this line, and then again justification, enter. If I take bottom and I draw the line like this. So what is the difference between these 3 lines? If I select, then you can see on the top justification it is selecting the top line. In the 0 justification it is selecting the middle point, and in the bottom it is selecting the bottom line. For example, and then again if I'm taking the same line, the second option is for the scale, then S, enter. If I'm taking the previous one was for the scale of 5, if I'm taking the scale of 2 over here, enter, and then I'm drawing the lines like this. Right, so what happens over here, if we actually if we dimension these particular things, so it is the distance between these 2 lines. The scale defines the distance between these 2 lines, right? So that's how it is there. Now for let me explain one more thing over here. M line, right? If I'm drawing a one line like this, and one line like this, one line like this, right? So I am using another command with this, which is the editing portion of this M line command. This is ML edit. This is ML edit. When I'm entering this command, so what is saying? It is saying that if I need to, you know, open cross over here, if I select this line, this line, and this line, and this line, so what is there? It is actually creating an open into the two lines, right? Then escape again. If I am using the same, then if I choose this tree, open tree, right, and I choose select first line and then the second line, so this is the open tree. Likewise, if I move this line over here, edit, it's like ML edit, right? So now if I'm taking the corner joint, I'm taking this and this, so this will actually making a corner for us. It's very easy when we are making the walls. We can have such type of lines. uh, the associated command with this M line is the M style, MLSTYLE. So now we are using the third one is the styles, which was the standard style. If we don't want to use this, we can actually have our own style. We can name in trial, trial, and we say continue. So now over here, if we need to actually add few more lines, for example, I want to have 3 lines and I want to have one central line between these 2 lines. So I can have the color over here. If I want to use the red, over here if I want to use the red, and this layer I want to use the yellow one, and this is by line type. This will be the continuous line, right? But okay, layer type. Okay, so now for the middle line I want to use a break line. So I can choose the line type and I can load, and then I want to have this or I want to have this particular line. Okay, okay, we need to select it, and then okay, and then we say okay, right? See the difference, the offset is, you know, equal in the parallel lines. If there was 2 lines, then the difference is 0.5 and minus 0.5. If there are 3 lines, we have 0.5, 0 and 0.5. So they are equidistant to each other, right? We can say okay, and we say set current and okay. So we say ML, M line, enter, then we have these particular lines like this, right? So that's all about today's video. So far we learned the 5 commands like oops command, purge command, overkill command, M line command, and with associated with the M line edit command and ML style command, and the audit command. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions and suggestions, kindly drop them in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a very nice day.